All right. August 23rd, right?
24th.
August 24 inspection. Let's start with our potentially weakest hive or smallest hive. I'm gonna start feeding, so I've got the feeders on. Oh, they propolized all of the entrances though.
They what?
They propolized all these shut.
Oh.
Yep. Okay, well, there's no feeding today.
Well,
because I've got to clean those out before I.
Okay.
We'll have to come back.
Take that off.
Yep.
Oh.
Hi, girls.
They're kind of in the mood already.
No, they're just talking. Because I ripped off the top. Here's a hive beetle. Ooh, there's 2 hive beetles.
Can they get to the middle, or they propolize the middle of the feeder too?
I don't know. They look like they're propolizing the entire edge set.
Yeah, probably because they're...
God damn it. These just stung me right through my jacket and my shirt.
Ow.
Right on my stomach because I laid them right on me. God, that hurts.
Alright, you want to leave that there?
Right there. Damn. Really stupid of me. Okay. Let's look. These are dead.
Yes, we need to make sure this stays.
Okay, well, we'll have to. Let's see if we can't get them out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix your stuff, guys. Alright, so what do we got here?
You alright?
It's just...
Yeah.
Very gentle, but... This is the super.
Okay.
There's no caps on these, but there is capped here.
There is a queen excluder, so
Yeah.
that should just be all honey and pollen, right?
It should be just all honey. The pollen they should be keeping close to the brood.
Okay.
So, where did I put the other tool?
There, I got one in my hand.
Another tool somewhere, but let's do these.
Looks like they're building comb there on
Yep.
both sides.
Yeah, definitely starting to build comb on this one.
Had we not put any beetle traps in this, or in the bottom?
On the below the queen excluder.
Oh, okay.
All right, these are all not gonna. None of this is gonna be full because we just put the stuff on here.
Sometimes you're bringing in some pollen. It's not quite as bright or as much as that middle one, but they're bringing some stuff in.
Okay. Can we here puff in the underneath here, would you? Okay, it is a little heavy, but it's not.
You got bees on the bottom.
It's fine.
So.
Don't worry about it.
way too big?
These are way too big for me.
You want
Like
to
my
go switch
fingers
them
are.
out?
For what?
I don't know. Do we have some
I don't know.
smaller ones
I
in
don't
there?
know that we have any smaller ones.
These are new ones, right?
Yeah, but they were larges.
Yeah.
Thinking that extra large would be too big, and extra large on this size would be way too big. Okay.
Try not to. There's a few in there.
There's a few, but it's not that many.
Okay. Well,
If you want to just go set it
I'll
down
stick this
in the
one back in,
grass.
right?
Yeah. Just set it down in the grass.
I'm gonna set it right here so we don't lose track of it. Here, you want me to work on getting it out?
I gotta work on getting my gloves a little bit tighter, but I don't think I'm gonna get much tighter. Yeah, I know you guys built all this comb up. I don't know what to do about that. Watch out, girls.
So build the comb up against the side of the
Yep,
box?
yep.
Oh.
Oh, that's because this is super heavy. Like ridiculously super heavy. It's all pollen and honey.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I just cut right through it. Dang it. And you're gonna go crazy. Oh well. Nothing I can do about it. Okay, this is primarily honey in this one as well.
Leftover honey?
Yeah. Got a drone over here. These gloves need like a like I need to get like rubber bands to put like right here. Man, this is all kept over too. So I'm not gonna pull it out. I'm just gonna pull it over now. Okay, that's gonna get rolled quick. Go ahead and spritz them, please. Yeah. That one's all honey too. gonna go into winter with enough honey for sure. Okay, this is all brand new. This is empty. Okay. But this is, I think, the ones that we replaced in. Yeah, that one's brand new. This one's got no comb on it. And this is full of honey. Okay, so they've got space up here. This is the one I think we stopped up here too. We didn't inspect the bottom last time.
Yeah, because I think the queen was in the top box.
And she might be this time too, but they haven't really done anything different. They've not really expanded into the space we've given them yet. Go ahead and flush them down, or smoke them down, will you? Is it smoking or not?
A little bit.
Oh, I just broke that frame.
You want me to get that silver thing out?
Yep. This whole frame is
You might want to just
busted.
leave that one. I'll start from the other end.
That's a bummer, man. I know. I'm doing all the things you're not supposed to do.
We've got honey in the top corners.
Starting to get honey down in the bottom too. Okay. Well, please put the silver thing on. Like, these are all spaces that they should be laying eggs, and they're empty, and I just don't see any eggs.
Okay, well, it looks like we have some cat stuff over on the next one.
I saw the hive beetle for a second there.
Alright, we got a capped queen cell, it looks like, over here.
Okay.
And some maybe play cups or something over there.
Yeah, but they're capped, so.
Careful.
Okay, I don't see anything on that one either. Lots of space, but no.
Well, they may be requeening. That's also why they're very grumpy.
I guess that's possible. No, not capped.
Not capped?
Yeah.
Is there something in it though? Anything in it?
No, it's empty, but
It looks awfully large.
it's a fully developed cell, though. Okay. See, these are capped, so makes me wonder what's inside. Oh, it's a dead queen cell. That one is. I think this one is too. Yeah, it's completely full of propolis.
Okay.
Whatever it is propolized over. Man, that's a bummer because we saw the queen in this one. About a week ago. That'll be fun.
Well, in case maybe the queen is on these frames yet somewhere.
Honey. There's no eggs in any of these cells down here at all. Where?
Over on the left.
So there it is.
Yeah, on your thumbnail.
Okay.
Do we need to recheck the top box?
Yeah.
There wasn't anything in that queen.
Nope, it was completely empty. There was no closure, and it was completely empty. So either she emerged.
Oh, we didn't really look to see if we saw.
Oh, we weren't down.
Marks.
Yeah, we didn't. Well, we weren't really looking for one.
Yeah.
Like you said, I may have dumped her down in below. And there's so many frames of bees on the bottom now. But they're chilling out because
that one is the one that was broken that got left.
I know. And that's why I'm pulling it out now.
You gonna pull it out? Or you just gonna...
Yeah, I'm gonna have to pull it out just to see, check it. Yeah, that's capped brood.
Oh, there's a bee hatching. So, there's capped brood, an empty queen cell.
Yeah, so either they replaced her, and there's an unmarked virgin queen running around, or that's a cell ready to go. It is a super seizure cell given where it's at.
Yeah.
So either a queen could have died, but if she didn't have enough eggs laying, then they wouldn't have anything to put into it. I know. We're gonna need to do that for a minute. Okay.
What do you want to do?
I mean, we'll just have to watch for a queen in the next inspection.
What are you guys doing? Lift carefully.
No, they're not swarming. We know that.
Alright, well, so...
It's either a sick queen, dead queen. That's fine. Let them be. Does mean I gotta look at this one a little bit closer.
Alright, so are we gonna check any more frames in that box, or just...
Yeah, I'm looking at this stuff over here now.
We're looking at it over there?
Yeah.
Okay. I didn't know if you wanted to put it back on the...
She should not be there, which is true. This is the stuff we put in. Can you smoke them, please? Yeah, I know. Stranger danger. Got it. All right, back onto the hive we go.
Whoop, look out.
They'll figure it out. Yeah.
Okay. Want the field traps back?
Yeah. Okay.
Lid.
Yeah.
Maybe I take this feeder and put it back over by the hot tub?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Smoke. Make sure to smoke it really good right here before you go. Okay, GoPro, stop recording. Brush. Problem is I should have put it in the very bottom, but that's okay. We'll do this and then we'll OVA, yeah. We'll put OA treatments on the bottom with the vaporizer.
Alright, and you're gonna lid that up because you want to clean this out, right?
Yeah, we're going to need to clean it out.
Alright. Let me, unless you want me to dump them out of this feeder and take it over there.
Just turn it over, tap it
Yep.
4 times, and then take it.
Alright, ladies. Out you go.
Yep. Oh God. Hello. Deer over here giving me a hard time. So there's 3 deer over here giving me a hard time. Snorting at me and everything.
There are still a few left in there. They were not happy with me, but
That's whatever.
okay. Grumpy Hive, Grumpy Hive.
Yep.
Look at all the comb up in there.
Again. Go ahead and please smoke. I know. I'm your favorite person. It's always disconcerting when they fly up to you like that.
What?
When they fly up into your face like
yeah.
that.
They were definitely in cloud mode. There's like one beetle in there. Yeah, that.
There you go.
Oh wait, no, there's one in there. And this is another one where we flip-flopped the super and the heat.
Yep. Man, the ones I made them 2 spec and they are just weak. I'm gonna have to figure out like super glue or something to put down before I nail anything. Or just buy better comb.
If they made the better comb in a color of white. Alright, we got some half brood on this side.
Cat bird on this side.
Okay.
Here, I need you to put that over here, just like that.
Lots of honey. We got some, they built some wonky comb on the bottom that's got some capped, maybe drone on this side.
Yeah, same on this side. But it's mostly honey.
Okay, yeah, it's mostly honey.
Okay, like this, right? Yeah, like that.
Looks like the end one is mostly honey.
That's
Honey.
all honey on the side. All honey on the inside here too. Okay. Well, I mean, they're doing what we wanted. Just to put honey up here, except for this weird, wonky
Yeah, we had
drones.
some honey that got busted, so
fine.
it's dripping down the side. Alright, so just want to lift this one off, and there is some brood in the top.
Okay, I'm gonna.
I'm looking down that. I was gonna see if I can look down
I'm
the
gonna
side.
do the inspection over here by you because right now the smoke's going right in my face.
Sorry. Trying to keep them a little calm. They don't seem quite as spicy as they were the last time.
We're in the very top.
That's true. Okay. Oh, that looks like some kind of thing that was
We'll figure it out.
Yeah, I know, ladies. I'm sorry. Sorry, trying to get the bees off you.
I'll just let that be for a minute. Okay, that's all honey on that one. Empty cells and honey. Like perfect lane frame right there, but all honey on the other side.
That's all.
Oh, that's all honey for sure.
You guys can build some monkey comb off on the side over here too.
Yeah.
Looks like wonky honey. I'll get some wonky comb and put honey in it.
Yeah, this is the wonky frame that we put in.
Yeah.
Okay, well, throw the other two back in.
On this side?
Yep.
Alright.
Alright, girls, I'm gonna have to smoke you out. Smoke's right
Sorry.
there. The top of that frame, just the whole frame. Yep, keep going. Here. Yeah, drone and regular brood in that nose. If it's a line, it's a mite. It's not a mite. If it's a dot, then it might be.
I mean, it's a kind of dot, but it could just be like hot honey or pollen.
Yeah.
It's not red. It's like orange.
Well, that might just be immature mites. Yeah. No, that's orange. That's a line.
Down here by my thumb.
Oh, here, yeah. Let me see. Yeah, that. It's kind of big and. No, it's not. I'm pretty sure it's not. I'm pretty sure it's just an intestine. Okay. You need to stand on the other side of me. You stand over there.
Going that way.
Yeah, so just stand here and we'll blow towards that direction.
Yeah, except
It's not blowing towards me now. It's blowing back towards you. Okay, that is all honey. So I'll just put you right back in. Okay, I mean...
You want to check for the queen?
Yeah, yep.
You can see some capped brood in the top on one of those frames up here.
Yep, and we'll inspect it if we have to, but... What I'm hoping is, with the extra space, they just moved whatever was in the bottom up. Okay, that's all honey. Its weight tells me it's honey. That's honey. On both sides, capped or not, it's irrelevant. Yeah, that's all honey on that side. Oh, that's a little lighter. Acting like there's brood or eggs to be laid there, but in all honesty, there's I don't think that this is I need to spray. Spray the top box too, would you? Yeah, need them to go down. Yep. Same. They're keeping things empty in the center on these three frames.
Okay, well,
that's where she's gonna want to lay if she's gonna lay.
Yeah.
But I didn't see her.
Maybe in the bottom.
I would imagine dollars to donuts she is, so that's where we're going now. Please, on me real quick. now the box. Yep. Yep. All kinds of drone comb here on the edge of this one on the next frame. This is all pollen on this side.
We got some happening on this side.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's all brood.
Is it? I can't.
It's all that white is brood here. I don't know if you can see. You see all the white right here?
Okay, yeah.
That's all uncapped brood.
Like we got some drone capped on the next one over. Yeah, I know.
I'm
You
surprised.
guys build the stuff in between the cones and it's broken. I'm sorry.
Queen might be on this edge, but I'm gonna guess she's on this frame, given how new that space is. Nope. I need you to push him down. And spray me. Okay.
There's some drone caps. Whoa. The next frame over is like solid cap.
Yeah. This is solid cap too, actually. That's crazy. That is super crazy. Come on, Queenie. Be on these frames, please.
Yeah, this next frame is like crazy solid.
I know, and it's super white, which means that it's probably that way on both sides.
Oh, the next one over is pretty solidly capped too.
Dang, wherever she is trucking out.
Should be on the next one, and the next one is pretty solid cap right now.
Well, wait.
Yeah, let's move that one over.
Okay. Come on, Queen. Here, move. Just mainly my hands right at the moment. Oh yeah, I'm feeling the sting on my finger.
No.
Not a new one, just the old one. It's starting to swell. Oh yeah, look at that solid pattern.
And so we saw
Big fat drone.
like somewhat freshly, not eggs, but we saw brood.
Yeah.
And we saw
Unkept. Okay, I need a lot right now, just as much as you can. As much as you can. Nope, as much as you can.
They are like stinging the heck out of your gloves.
I know.
Right? Oh, all the pollen that you guys are dropping out the bottom.
You guys are super aggressive. aggressive, I know.
Either that or it's we're aggressive all the time.
Nope.
There's definitely more honey on this side.
Okay, nope. Cannot be on the edges, really. That or you're all the way in the top, because we didn't look all the way in all of the frames on the top because of how honey bound it was. There she is.
Again.
At the very end right here.
Where? Oh, there she is.
She's so confused. Here, can we brush her? Yeah, just take her and put her over here.
Did I get her down in there? I think I did.
Okay. Good. Okay. Well, that's why you do the full inspection, right? Just to make sure.
Get them down in the middle.
Okay, I need smoke. Smoke. Okay. Hold that one. Okay, I need it on me. I need it on me right now. Right now. They are striking hard. Thanks. GoPro, stop recording. Oh!
Where'd it get you?
God damn it. Yeah, I need a lot. A lot.
Sorry.
And that. Do the top, please. Okay, 3 stings today. That is terrible. The rest is the worst. Done. Can you grab it? GoPro, stop recording.